planning to grow French bean hydroponically? Do you know which are the hydroponic system you can use to grow French bean? Today in this video, I will explain all about different system you can use for growing the French bean. With that, I will also show you how you can start growing French bean into hydroponic system. All that information I am going to share in this video. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video, we are going to discuss in detail about how to grow French bean into hydroponic system, what are the different systems we can use in a hydroponic for growing the French bean, how to start the French bean, and what are the distance to be maintained for growing it successfully with a good yield. All that information is going to be discussed in detail into this video. For knowing everything, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. So friends, French bean can be grown from its seeds. Now first we will see what are the different systems we can use for growing the French bean. The most common system we can use with the very ease is the media beds or the media tray. Here we have a coco peat base media tray over here, and we are going to grow it into this tray with the media coco peat, all the French beans. Other system of the hydroponic like a media bucket where the clay ball can be a media, or the water based system like DFT or the deep water culture system also can be used for growing the French bean successfully. Here we are going to sow it from the seed. Now French bean seeds are big in size, and we have collected the seeds like this. So we have two type of seeds. One is yellow and another is green. We are going to sow both of them. Now to grow French bean, the seed to be sown directly for the media beds. But if you are looking for the growing it into the water based hydroponic system, then we must prepare the seedling first, then later on transplant it and grow it into the other system. So what we'll do, we'll put some seed over here and we put some extra seed also over here to later on shift it to the other system. Now talking about the distance. So the French bean plants have the life cycle of around 75 to 90 days, and it doesn't grow much big. The French bean plants are normally shrub type and grow small. So we can plant them on the closer distance. Normally the plant to row distance we can maintain around 1 feet, and plant to plant distance can be 4 to 6 inch. Here we have a tray which is 1.5 feet wide. So what we'll do, we'll maintain the two lines into this for around 1 foot distance, and we are going to maintain the plant to plant distance around 4 to 6 inch. But what we'll do here, we'll put the seeds at a closer distance, so later on we can remove the excess seedlings and transfer it to the another system. Now first we need to take out the seeds and place the seeds equally at a distance. So first we spread all the seeds. Here we are going to spread it at around 3 inch distance. So later on we can thin it and remove it. Now sowing is very simple. We simply need to put these seeds around 2 cm to 3 cm deep. So it will get into the enough moisture and get the germination. So simply we are going to push these seeds around 2 cm. Again after 3 fingers we are going to put one more seed over here. Likewise we are going to sow all the seeds into this tray. This completes our sowing work. So once we complete the sowing like this, we need to cover it with this same coco peat, so it will create a good condition for the germination. Now let us talking about the nutrition. So French bean doesn't require the high nutrition because it is a legume and it produces its nitrogen on its own. So remaining nutrition we need to manage for the hydroponic system. So that can be easily managed with the general hydroponic formula. So we are not going to design any special formula for the beans. Only we need to ensure that the beans will get regularly moisture for its growth, because it is going to grow very rapidly. Now after this sowing, it will germinate after 3 to 4 days, and it will grow its whole life cycle over one place. Only in the case of where we need to grow it into the water based system like DFT or the DWC, we need to take out the plants, retransplant and sow it over there, and that's complete our work for the sowing. So friends, this is a simple way you can start French bean in your garden with the hydroponic system or the soilless system and grow it. So friends, how do you like the method of growing French bean into hydroponic system? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are also interested in growing French bean hydroponically at your home, prepare your system. Basically, the media bed system is the best thing. You can start with it and have a fresh harvest this season of the French bean and enjoy it. Happy growing!